Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you need to change your price or even fix a mistake in your listing. That's totally doable. Maybe you want to improve the description to get more views. Editing your Vinted listing is quick and easy, so you can update almost everything anytime you want. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually edit a Vinted listing in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, you can either go through the Vinted.com platform or go through the mobile app. It depends on you. If you are on iOS or even Android, go all the way, look for Vinted, then download the app from here or from there. Then open it, go to your profile, go to your listings and all of this. As for me right now, I'm gonna go to Vinted.com, open the website, then come here, log in using your email address and password. So as you see here, there is many options such as sell now. There is the items already listed. So for you guys, you're gonna tap on your profile here. You will be able to see multiple options. My orders, profile. So for example, tap on profile. So you'll be able to see all of your listings here. Select one of them, or basically select the item you want to edit. Tap edit. Then update the title, price, photos, or even the description, then save the changes. As for some tips, lowering your price can boost visibility, so keep it in mind. Improve your title with keywords like brand and size. For example, you can use Nike or whatsoever other brands if you want to. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.